We will soak it for 6 to 8 hours. It's been 8 hours. Now we can wash it well and keep it aside for another day. I washed it very well. Now I'm going to leave it covered with a paper towel for another 24 hours. Then we will see. It's been 12 hours. We kept it for sprouting. We can sprinkle some water over it to keep it moist. And you can cover again with the paper towel and make sure that the paper towel also is moist. We will check again after 12 hours. It's been 72 hours that we kept this for sprouting. Let's see. It has sprouted very well. I was just sprinkling this paper towel with water every 12 hours. We are going to wash it first. We are going to make a sprout salad, and we will make a sprout stir fry also with it. Mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, ginger, garlic, onion, coconut, salt, turmeric, crushed cumin, you can add the sprouts now. Some fresh curry leaves also. This sprout salad now. Let's add the sprouts. shredded carrot, coconut, cubed green mango, lemon juice, a pinch of salt. Finally, pumpkin seeds. We can mix everything well. Dried cranberries.